In a sunlit gym, a quiet parent named Maya battles years of emotional eating to reclaim her body and spirit. She documents late-night workouts, first failed attempts, and the crushing voice of doubt, turning discipline into daily small victories. Through patient strength training and mindful eating, her numbers shift from fear to fuel, sculpting muscle and a renewed self-worth. With each milestone, she teaches her son resilience, inspires friends, and discovers a clarity that finally quiets the inner critic. Her story ends not at a finish line but at a beginning, a promise to live lighter, stronger, and compassionate.